In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your bookmarks from Brave browser. If you've ever wanted a backup of your favorite sites or you're getting ready to move to a new device or browser, exporting your bookmarks is a quick way to keep everything organized and safe. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. Make sure it's the desktop version and that you're signed into the correct profile if you use more than one. Once Brave is open, look to the top right corner of the window for the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. Click that to open the main menu. From here, hover your mouse over the Bookmark section. A side menu will appear. Choose Bookmark Manager. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus O on Windows. On a Mac, the shortcut may differ depending on your system setup, so if that key combination doesn't work, selecting it from the menu is the most reliable approach. You'll now be in the Bookmark Manager, which shows all of your folders and saved pages in one place. In the top right corner of this manager page, there's another icon with three dots, often called the More Options menu. Click that to reveal additional actions. Select Export Bookmarks from the dropdown. This tells Brave to create a single file that contains all your bookmarks. You're not deleting or moving anything. This is just making a copy you can store, share, or import elsewhere. A Save dialog will appear. Choose a location on your computer that you'll remember, like your desktop or documents folder. You can also rename the file to something meaningful, such as Brave Bookmarks Export with today's date, so it's easy to identify later. The file will be saved as an HTML file, which is a standard format that most browsers can import. Click Save to finish. A quick tip, after saving, it's smart to double check that the file is where you expect it to be. You don't need to open it, but you can look at the file size to confirm it's not 0 bytes. Consider keeping a copy in cloud storage or on an external drive if you want a reliable backup. That's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your bookmarks from Brave. Next time you switch devices or try a different browser, you'll be able to import this HTML file and have your favorites ready to go. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.